What if you could build strong muscular legs using just 5 essential exercises? That's right, 5 moves that work together to target every major muscle group in your lower body, including your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Whether you're an athlete or just want to move through daily life with more strength and confidence, this is your blueprint. Let's break down the top 5 exercises that will take your leg training to the next level. Squats. Squats are the king of leg exercises, and for good reason. They train multiple muscles at once, from your thighs to your glutes and even your core. They're not just about building strength, they help improve mobility, boost balance, and can even enhance posture. Squats mirror movements you do every day, like sitting and standing, making them incredibly functional. They're also a great tool for building muscle mass and increasing bone density. To do them right, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, brace your core, and lower your body like you're sitting into a chair. Keep your back straight, knees aligned with your toes, and push through your heels to return to standing. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 30 reps to really feel the burn. Deadlifts. Deadlifts go beyond just your legs, they're a full-body powerhouse. But when it comes to strengthening your lower body, especially the hamstrings and glutes, deadlifts are unmatched. They target your posterior chain, which is vital for posture, stability, and explosive power. Plus, they help reinforce hip and knee strength, which reduces your injury risk. Start with your feet hip-width apart, bend at the hips with a slight knee bend, and grip the weight with a firm overhand hold. Keep your back neutral and lift by extending your hips and knees together. Stand tall, squeeze your glutes, then slowly return the weight to the ground with control. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps to activate those deep muscle fibers. Lunges. Lunges bring balance, literally. This single leg movement hits all the major leg muscles while also improving your coordination, balance, and flexibility. They're excellent for fixing strength imbalances between legs and enhancing lower body control. You'll also engage your core every step of the way. Start by standing tall, then take a step forward, lowering both knees to 90 degrees. Your front knee should stay above your ankle, never let it pass your toes. Press through your front heel to push back to the starting position. Do 3 sets of 20 to 30 reps, alternating legs for maximum impact. Step-ups. Want a move that mimics real life? Step-ups are the way to go. They're amazing for building strength and power in your legs while boosting overall mobility and balance. All you need is a step, bench, or platform. The movement targets your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves. Plus, it's a great way to train for activities like hiking or climbing stairs. Face your platform, keep your chest upright, and step up with 1 foot. Press through the heel to lift your body, then bring the second foot up. Step back down in reverse, maintaining control throughout. Do 3 sets and switch your lead leg each time to keep things balanced. Calf raises. Don't neglect your calves, they play a major role in how you walk, run, jump, and move. Calf raises isolate and strengthen the 2 main calf muscles, the gastrocnemius and soleus. A strong set of calves also supports ankle stability and helps prevent injuries, especially to the Achilles tendon. To perform them, stand with feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as possible. Pause at the top to really squeeze the calves, then lower back down with control. You can do this on flat ground or a step for more range. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps and work your way up as you progress. These 5 exercises form the foundation of a powerful leg training routine. When performed consistently and with proper form, they'll help you build strength, stability, and endurance that shows in both your physique and your daily performance. Whether you're new to fitness or have years under your belt, these moves scale with you. Ready to feel the difference? Start adding these into your workout and watch your lower body transform. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Your support helps us keep bringing you powerful fitness content every week.